Hi guys, we're here in Sydney today at the Caroma Distribution Facility and Innovation Centre where we're installing our FlexGuard triple rail polymer barrier along the pedestrian walkway just around the perimeter of the Innovation Centre. So come with us. Now the FlexGuard triple rail polymer barrier has been specified for along the pedestrian walkways, as you can see here, just in standard 2-metre lengths, which makes installation super easy. But to bridge the gap between the walkway and then the areas where the pedestrians need to intersect vehicle traffic, obviously they've got some pedestrian crossings that have been laid out. And then in these sections here, we're installing ball fence swing gates, which can actually be mounted onto the FlexGuard posts via a special attachment. Basically, it controls the access of the pedestrians into this area. They need to cross from one side to the other side of the distribution facility. So along this section of the FlexGuard triple railing, the idea of putting the ball fence swing gate adjacent to the forklift EV charging area, so material handling vehicles, will pull in here, plug into charge, and then when the drivers hop off their vehicles, they can walk across. As an end-to-end safety provider, we will work with you all the way from site assessment through to installation. We will come to your site, assess your needs, and recommend safety infrastructure in line with standards and your operational requirements. Get in touch with a Barrier Group safety expert to see how FlexGuard can safeguard your facility.